My name is Beth. I am an American woman living in London. I am a new mother. I have a baby boy, and my life feels heavy and confusing. My husband's name is Robert. We have been married for 4 years. Lately, our marriage feels empty. We do not fight, but we do not feel close. I feel tired all the time. I feel unsure about my future. My best friend is Kate. We have known each other since college. She is brave, loud, and full of life. She tells me to stop worrying and start living again. One summer, Kate invites me on a short holiday to Brighton, a seaside town in England. She says I need a break from my baby and my marriage. I agree, even though I feel nervous about leaving my child. We arrive in Brighton on a Friday afternoon. We rent a small apartment near the beach. That night, Kate wants to go out. I feel tired, but I go with her. We go to a club. The music is loud. The lights are bright. Kate is happy and dancing. 2 men talk to us. I do not feel comfortable, but Kate seems excited. She tells me to relax and have fun. Later that night, everything becomes unclear. I feel dizzy and slow. My memory breaks into pieces. I remember lights. I remember noise. Then nothing. The next morning, I wake up alone. My head hurts. Kate is not in the flat. Her bed is empty. Her phone is gone. Her bag is gone. At first, I think she went for a walk. Then time passes. She does not return. I start to feel scared. I call my husband, Robert. He sounds distant. He tells me to calm down and wait. I do not feel supported. I go to the local police. They listen, but they do not act fast. They say adults can leave on their own. I feel alone. A taxi driver named Zane remembers us from the night before. He seems kind and serious. He agrees to help me look for Kate. With his help, I find Kate's bag and phone near the club. This makes me panic. Kate would never leave her things behind. I check her phone. I see messages that confuse me. Some messages are about money. Some are about meeting men. I slowly understand that Kate hired escorts that night. The men were not who they said they were. They were thieves. They drugged women and stole from them. I go back to the police. This time, they open a real investigation. A few days later, the police find Kate's body near the water. She is dead. I feel empty. I feel sick. I cannot cry at first. The police test my blood. They find drugs in my system. I am not surprised. I know something was put in my drink. The police start to question me. They take my passport. I cannot leave. My husband Robert comes to Brighton. Instead of helping me, he looks angry and cold. He tells the police that Zane seems dangerous. I search Kate's phone again. This time, I see messages between Kate and Robert. They had a secret relationship. My heart breaks again. I understand now why Robert did not want to help me. He was afraid. The police question everyone. They even accuse me of planning Kate's death. They say I hired Zane. I feel hopeless. I learned that the man who rented us the flat had cameras inside the building. I feel angry, but the video helps me. The video shows me being taken to bed early that night. I was barely awake. The video shows Kate leaving later. She follows the two men. She is robbed, then she gets into another car. The car belongs to Paul, a police officer who doubted my story from the start. Zane and I find the taxi driver who took Kate that night. He says she wanted to go to the police station. She was scared. The truth becomes clear. Paul used his power to hurt Kate. When she rejected him, he killed her. When I confront him, he attacks me. During the struggle, he falls and dies. I return to London with my baby. Robert asks to fix our marriage. I say no. One day, I find something small but important in his coat pocket. Beads from a necklace I gave Kate. Everything becomes clear. Robert went to Brighton before Kate died. He wanted to stop her from telling the truth. They argued. He pushed her into the water and ran away. I call the police and confront him. He confesses. Robert is arrested. Now, I live alone with my baby. I am sad, but I am strong. I lost my best friend. I lost my marriage. But I found the truth. And this time, I chose myself.